In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your availability on Fresha, a step that's crucial for managing your bookings and ensuring your clients can see when you're available. Whether you're new to Fresha or looking to streamline your business operations, stick around as we dive into the process. Let's begin by navigating to Fresha's platform for business owners. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in https://www.fresha.com/for-business in the address bar. This page is designed specifically for professionals like yourself looking to manage your business on Fresha. Once the page loads, you'll notice a prompt to log in. Click on the login button to proceed. It's important at this step to ensure you're logging into the business side of Fresha, so be sure to select for business after clicking on login. This distinction matters because Fresha offers different functionalities for businesses and clients, and you'll want access to all the tools that help you manage your operations effectively. The next step involves signing in using your Google account. This is a straightforward process where you click on Sign In using Google. It's a convenient option for those who prefer a quick login without remembering another password. Just make sure you're choosing the Google account associated with your business on Fresha. After successfully signing in, it's time to focus on the core of today's tutorial, changing your availability. To do this, head over to the Teams section by using the direct link provided or by navigating through the Fresha interface. This area is crucial for adjusting your or your team members' schedules. Within the Teams section, look for the Scheduled Shifts option and click on it. This is where Fresha centralizes all scheduling facets, allowing for a smoother adjustment process. The layout here is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of current scheduling, showcasing various time slots and team member assignments. Now it's time to select the specific schedule you wish to change. This might be your own schedule or that of a team member. The interface allows you to click on the schedule directly, opening up the settings for that particular day or time slot. This level of granularity in scheduling adjustments ensures that you can manage availability with precision, accommodating any changes in your or your team's availability. After selecting the schedule, click on Edit this day. This option prompts a detailed editing interface where you can adjust the start and end times, or perhaps the entire day's availability. It's a great tool for those days when you need to start late, end early, or adjust your hours for any reason. The next step involves changing the time slot to reflect the new availability. Whether it's squeezing in an extra appointment by starting your day earlier or blocking off time for a personal commitment, adjusting your time slot is as simple as inputting the new start and end times. Once you've made your adjustments and you're satisfied with the new availability, don't forget to click on Save. This final step ensures all the changes you made are applied and visible to clients looking to book appointments. Saving your changes updates your schedule in real time, allowing your clientele to see your most current availability. And that's it, you've successfully changed your availability on Fresha. These changes not only keep your clients informed, but also help in managing your day more effectively. Remember, communication is key in any business, and by maintaining an up-to-date schedule, you're ensuring a smoother operational flow and minimizing the chances of booking conflicts. To recap, we started by navigating to Fresha for Business, logging in, accessing the Teams section, selecting a schedule to edit, making the necessary adjustments, and saving those changes. Each step in this process plays a crucial role in accurately reflecting your availability to your clients. Whether you're adjusting your schedule to accommodate more clients or needing some personal time, knowing how to update your availability on Fresha is an invaluable skill. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider exploring more ways to optimize your Fresha setup, streamline your business operations, and enhance your client's experience. Your success on Fresha not only depends on offering top-notch services, but also on managing your bookings efficiently. Remember, an up-to-date schedule is a step towards a well-organized business. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.